how beautiful is this vase? When I saw this, I was like, I have to get it. Shelly Teller. Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another vlog. I want to show you guys some stuff that I picked up today from Target and TJ Maxx. I really had to share them with y'all. And the first thing is this pumpkin home fragrance. It was only $4 and it smells really good. Like, this smells amazing. Don't mind my nails, I need to get them done, but they've been like hurting and different things, so they look crazy. But anyways, love this so much, so great. And you don't even have to spray this a lot. You can just spray it very lightly and it smells so strong. It makes the house smell like pumpkin spice and just like cinnamon, which is awesome. And then the next thing that I got are these plates from Target. I don't know if you can tell by the video, but these plates are actually very heavy. They're like really heavy. So I think this is super cute and it's very different. I like this better than the glass plates, and I'm literally about to wash them and use them when I cook tonight. And yeah, I freaking love these so much. I love the irregular shape on them. This is just so cool. It just looks really expensive, and it was actually a pretty reasonable price. I think it was only $6. I think it was like $6 per plate, but it's so heavy. Oh my gosh. The next, I got some California Roots wine from Target. If you guys have never heard of this, it is only $5 at Target and it tastes pretty great. Next thing that I got, which I'm really super excited to share with you guys, is this vase from Target. Like, how beautiful is this vase? When I saw this, I was like, I have to get it. So that's exactly what I did, and it looks so amazing. I had this other vase here, but this goes so much better. It gives this restoration hardware type of look, and it's just amazing. It's really putting the house together, and I'm living for it. The texture is so nice too. How beautiful is this? I'm really obsessed with this. Like, I really am obsessed with this because it's been so long. I've been looking for like a pottery piece. This is very like pottery nude, and it has that smooth outside layer to it. Exactly what I pictured in my head. The next thing that I picked up from TJ Maxx is this pan that I'm actually using to make dinner right now. And first of all, it's black, and you guys know I love black. Look at the size of this too. How cute is that? I freaking love that. And then this is the top for it. I don't know what this, I guess this is from the water. I just washed it. But this is the top, and it's black as well. It has this like matte black top that's rubber, which I freaking love. This pot is so nice. This is honestly gonna be my favorite. This is my favorite pot, and I'm probably not gonna find one to top this. So this is the best one that I've ever seen. So nice. And this was only $16. Like, you cannot beat that. It was only $16. So I'm in love. I also got a fish. I don't know if I told you guys, but the fish that I had before died. R.I.P. Rest in peace, Dior. And so I got a black goldfish. How cute is that? I really love it. And it goes perfect in my little shelf setup here. But I just cleaned that bowl out and put her in there. She's swimming. Hi, fishy. Hi, fishy. But anyways, yeah. Love it. I also worked out today. I just didn't really feel like vlogging it. So I did that and then went to the store and got those things. I did not expect to find that. I literally went to the store for curtains because I want to change the curtains in my office. They're gray and I want to change them to white. So I went looking for curtains and ended up with all of those things. I mean, that's pretty usual for me because I love shopping. I love Target and TJ Maxx. And I'm so excited, like, to be cooking in this pot that I absolutely love. Like, mood, I'm so excited about everything that I did find. What is that on the window? Is that a frog? I think that's a frog. Ew. Ew, I think it's a frog. Ew, I think it's a frog, guys. I hope that's outside. I think it is, though. Ew, it is a frog just chilling on the window. That's so gross. Now, what is it, Wednesday? It's Wednesday, and as you guys can see, half of the carpet's gone. My boyfriend's currently taking out the carpet. If y'all don't know, he does this. He has his own business, so I'll link some of his information down below. But we're finally getting rid of this disgusting carpet that was here when we moved. And look how it looks already. So this is the half that's already taken out, and I just feel like compared, you guys can literally see a half and half, it just looks so much more clean and spacious. Like, isn't it crazy what a different floor can do? So I just can't wait until we actually put wood or whatever we're gonna do. We haven't decided what floors we're gonna do, but I can't wait until we actually have the floors added in. I love it so much.
Take it. You're gonna get hot dog, man. Yeah, hot dog style. You should do a piece of it, hot dog style. Oh. You want to do hamburger because it'll be too wide. You got all the way out there. Do hamburger, hot dog. So you get your tape.
Hey guys, so yeah, we just got done taking the carpet out of that floor. He was showing me how to do it, so I learn something new every day. But I feel so bloated today. I feel like I ate some eggs. I ate some eggs earlier, and I think it's the eggs. I don't know what it is, but I feel like I have an allergic reaction to something. It's either gluten or dairy, or it could be both. But I feel so bloated right now. I'm actually editing the vlog from last week, and it's going up today. So yeah, we're gonna go out to eat and a little bit later to a Mexican restaurant. So that's fun. We're probably both not gonna eat that much because we're not that hungry. Ooh, my chapstick it was just like all over my mouth. Don't you hate when you put chapstick on and it just sticks, like it like has that white stuff that comes off? I hate that about chapstick. I need to find some type of lip oil that isn't chapstick. If you guys know of any good brands, let me know. I need some. But guys, I'm living for this vase I showed you guys yesterday that I got from Target. How cute. This is so freaking cute. Like, every time I walk by it, it just catches my eye. And I still love it. This has to be like one of my favorite decor pieces I've ever bought in my entire life. Like, honestly. I just love it. It's me in a vase. Say hi, vlog. Hi, my kitty. This is so big, babe. We have to share this. Cheers. It's so cheesy.
Like cheese anyway.
I do, but I'm like, I can't even get this in my mouth properly.
It's real Mexican taco. Pretty good.
It tastes good. I gotta look what's in there. I gotta know what that sauce is. Because the sauce is what make it juicy. Like when I'm making it be dry, and they did corn tacos.
That's because you gotta make it with cook the chicken. You cook everything separate. But when you do the so it's got chopped onions and cilantro in it, and then I just put salsa on it, and then I add this right here. Which looks like bell pepper, jalapeno, tomato, onion. It's like juices, you know what I'm saying? Like onion juice, stuff like that. That's what this is. Pretty much it's sauce juice.
It's not coming out.
I blow it first, blow it out. Not at me. Okay, I'm down. So they turn the Corona upside down and everything.
That's a Texas margarita. What's up? Good morning, you guys. It's a new day, and it's currently Sunday. Look at little Christian. Hi, Christian. Hi, Christian. I'm in the basement. As y'all can see from like the last clip, we removed the floor. It's a few days later. We still haven't figured out what floor we're gonna put down, but I'm about to go to Target and see if I can find any new decor to put in the house. And I'm so excited because I love decor. That's like been my new thing lately. I just love home decor, pillows, watching home decor videos, getting ideas, because I feel like when you make your space into your own, it feels more like home. Like your house feels like a sanctuary when you like decorate it like from your heart and not just throw things in there, you know. So I'm excited to like find some pillows and fall things. I can't wait till fall so I can find some like decor, really nice like decorations. There was a pumpkin that I saw at TJ Maxx and it was gray with like a little gold thing on there, and I thought that was so cute. Oh, update you guys, I tried to do my own acrylics myself, and this is how they turned out. From afar they look really good but up close they look crazy. But hey, you won't be able to tell unless you're like all in my face. So I will, you know, practice makes perfect, so I'm gonna get better at it. But I'm so proud of myself to be able to like do my own acrylics. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. You're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. House update. This is how the living room looks so far. I want to add some more pieces. I just don't know exactly what I want to add. I think 2 accent chairs would look good over here. And I want to change out this lamp and get a tripod lamp. I really feel like that will change the mood in here. And I had frames on top of the fireplace, but I'm not really liking them anymore. So I'm trying to figure out what else I can put in this area. If you have any ideas, let me know in the comment down below. But yeah, I love it so far. This TV, I think I said this before, but this TV is not staying here. That's actually a TV from one of the bedrooms There's supposed to be a 75-inch here, but it broke, so we have to buy another one. And so, time to run to Target to see what I can find. Stop it. Alright guys, I'm back home and I'm going to show you some of the things that I picked up from Target. And I also just realized that I left my tripod in the cart. That freaking sucks. I'm going to have to go and buy another tripod, but whatever. At least it was something inexpensive. I'd rather it be the tripod than the actual camera. So that's how I'm just going to think about it. But I got this blanket for the couch. I feel like this will look really nice on the couch because the couch is beige, but this will add a little warm tone to it, and then it'll also tie it with the pampas flowers. And then next I got this for the shower, a shower organizer, shower caddy, and we really need this so we have more space to put stuff in the shower because our the walk-in shower doesn't have a lot of shelves, so really needed this. Next thing I got is this pumpkin. How cute is this? I was just talking about this actually. Well, this one is actually from Target, but there was one like this at TJ Maxx. Christian, what are you doing? There was one like this at TJ Maxx, so I went ahead and picked it up and it was only $3. I also picked up 2 cereal bowls, and I think these were $5. They're $5 each. How cute is that? I think those are so very cute. I also got some more forks because we really needed forks. I think we only have like 4 or 5 forks. So I got like 6 more. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be, okay, no, that's easy to take off. I was gonna say it's gonna be so annoying to try to take off all of these stickers. The next thing that I got are these 2 vases. I'm obsessed with vases, so I think these are really nice. Don't know where I'm gonna put them yet, but I love them so much. And then your girl stocked up on Target's, this, well, I wouldn't say it's Target's wine, but this wine that I've only found at Target, and it's $5. And it's been my favorite thing lately. So I got 3 of them. I also got some bowls. I got 2 of these bowls. I love the shape of these. So I'm definitely gonna be cooking dinner in these tonight. Like, nothing motivates me to cook dinner than getting new plates. Okay, so I found a place for the vases, and I think that looks so good right here. So I have like this one and then this one. That looks amazing. I freaking love that. And then I put the pumpkin right here for right now, but I don't know where it's gonna actually go. Shelly Teller.